Welcome back to Rapid Quiz World. Think your observation skills are unbeatable? Today's challenge is all about finding hidden numbers and letters before the timer ends. Before we begin, don't forget to like and subscribe for more brain challenges. Let's begin with the easy level. Challenge number 1. Can you find the number 52 before time runs out? Look carefully. It's hiding in plain sight. Excellent! Great start! Challenge number 2. Can you spot the letter G before the timer ends? Keep your eyes moving. Don't blink. Fantastic! Nice catch! Challenge number 3. Can you find the number 74 within the given time? Stay focused. You're getting closer. Awesome! You're warming up now! Challenge number 4. Can you spot the letters HP before time runs out? Only one pair is different. Keep searching. Brilliant! That was a good one! Challenge number 5. Can you find the number 31 before the timer ends? Last puzzle of the easy level. You've got this! Amazing! You completed the easy level! Welcome to the medium level. The puzzles are getting harder now. Stay sharp and trust your eyes. Challenge number 6. Can you spot the letter Z before time runs out? Most people look too fast. Take your time. Outstanding! Great observation. Challenge number 7. Can you find the number 68 before the timer ends? Don't lose your focus. You're almost there. Excellent. Nice work. Challenge number 8. Can you spot the letters VN within the given time? Look closely. One pair is hiding. Fantastic! You're halfway there. Challenge number 9. Can you find the number 95 before time runs out? Every second counts. Keep looking. Brilliant! You're getting faster. Challenge number 10. Can you spot the letter C before the timer ends? Finish this level strong. Superb! Medium level completed. Welcome to the hard level. Challenge number 11. Can you find the number 43 before time runs out? This one fools almost everyone. Amazing! You found it! Challenge number 12. Can you spot the letters JF before the timer ends? Stay calm. Don't give up. Excellent! Only a few challenges remain. Challenge number 13. Can you find the number 87 within the given time? Keep searching. You're very close. Outstanding! Great catch. Challenge number 14. Can you spot the letter Q before time runs out? One final look. Don't miss it. Brilliant! Just one challenge left. Star Final Challenge. Can you find the number 16 before the timer ends? This is the toughest challenge today. Give it your best shot. Congratulations! You completed today's observation challenge.